A Royal New Zealand Navy vessel, the Manawanui, ran aground and sank off Samoa during a reef survey, but all 75 crew and passengers were safely rescued. The incident occurred near Upolu's southern coast, and several vessels and a Royal New Zealand Air Force PAA Poseidon assisted in the rescue. The cause of the grounding is under investigation. The vessel, which cost New Zealand nearly $103 million in 2018, capsized and sank by Sunday morning, as reported by NBC News. Authorities are assessing the environmental impact, and the rescued crew will be flown back to New Zealand.